How do I pair my Hisense Remote with Roku?
Welcome! In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of pairing your Hisense Remote with your Roku device. This process is relatively straightforward and will allow you to control your Roku with the convenience of your Hisense Remote. Let's get started.
Why pair your Hisense Remote with Roku?
Being able to control your Roku device with your Hisense Remote will provide you with the convenience of a unified control system. You won't need to juggle multiple remotes anymore. This seamless integration between devices will make your home entertainment experience more enjoyable and hassle-free.
Gathering necessary items.
Before we start, make sure you have the following items handy. 1. Your Hisense Remote. 2. Your Roku device. 3. Your Roku's remote control. You'll need this for the initial part of the process.
Initiating pairing process.
Now that you have all the necessary items, let's begin the pairing process. 1. Switch on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku device is turned on and is displaying on your TV. 2. Enter the settings menu on your Roku. Use your Roku remote to navigate to the settings menu. In this menu, you'll see an option for Remote.
Pairing your Hisense Remote.
After you have navigated to the Remote settings, it's time to pair your Hisense Remote. 1. Enter the Pair Remote settings. On your Roku settings, navigate to the Remote setting and select Pair Remote. 2. Put your Hisense Remote in pairing mode. Press the pairing button on your Hisense Remote. This process may vary depending on the model of your Hisense Remote. Refer to the user manual for exact instructions. 3. Confirm the pairing. Once you've put your Hisense Remote into pairing mode, your Roku device should recognize the remote. Confirm the pairing on your TV screen using your Roku remote. And there you have it. You've successfully paired your Hisense Remote with your Roku device. You can now enjoy a streamlined viewing experience without having to switch between remotes. If you found this guide helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit. Happy streaming!